welcome to your own channel, Boost Your Career. In this video, we are going to talk about Excel function, count, count A, count blank, and count if. If you would like to learn the skills which matters in career growth, please subscribe to this channel and press the like button if you love this video. Okay, let us talk about the first function, count. Count is the function which counts the numbers in the given range. For that, I will use this range and I will put the formula count over here. So formula starts with is equal to count. This counts the number of cells in the range that contains numbers. And then tab and I will select this range as the range is only contains numbers. And then I will press enter. So there are 20 numbers over here. Remember that this doesn't count the text. I'm using the count function is equal to count, and then I'm using the range which has the text function only, and then press enter. You can see here count is 0 because it does not count the text. The next function is count A. Now count A function counts all the cells which has some or the other value in it, whether it's a number or whether it's text or whether any other thing. I will use the count A formula to calculate the filled cells in this particular range. That means the cell which has some or the other value. So is equal to count A, and then press tab. I will select this range now. Now you can see here the date is there which is taken as number, and these are the text over here. And then I will press enter. Now it is giving me 38 number. Now the total count is 38. This is how the count A formula is being used. Okay, now sometimes we would like to know in a huge data how many blank cells are there, or is there any blank cell or not. With the help of count blank, we can find out how many blank cells are there in the given range. So I'll put the formula is equal to count blank. Count blank is there, counts the number of empty cells in a specified range, and then I will press tab. I'll select this range from here to here. As you can see, there are 2 blank cells, so it should give me result as a 2, and then I will press enter. I'm getting the correct result. There are 2 blank cells. It is counting from this range. That is a count blank formula. Okay, the next function is count if. One of the very useful function to count the exact text or a number which is appearing in that particular range. For example, we have this attendance record over here. If this is a huge record, it is difficult to count how many present and how many absent are there. For that, we are going to use the Countif formula. So here I want to count how many present are there. Here I will put in the formula is equal to count if, then tab. What is it asking? It is asking me the range first. I'll select this range because I want to calculate present in this particular range, comma, and then it is asking me the criteria. Here I can put the present in double quotes, or I can select the cell which has the present value. So I've written here present in double inverted commas, and then press enter. So there are 17 present. Let us check that. I just filter the data and how many present are there. So here there are 17 present are there. 17 people are present. Now I want to calculate people who are absent. How many people are absent? I will write the formula here is equal to count if, tab, again this range here to here, comma, and then the criteria. Criteria is absent. So this time I will select the cell which has absent in it. So I selected the range, and then I selected the cell which has absent in it, and then I will press enter. Okay, I can see there are 3 absent. Are they 3? Let us check that. Yeah, there are 3 people who are absent. So I'm getting the correct result over here. This is the way we can use CountIf function, count a specific data in a given range. Again, one more important function, the same function, Countif function, we can use to find out the duplicate values if these are there in a particular range. That means how many times a particular value is appearing in that particular range. That we can find out with the help of Countif formula. Here, I want to find out if this name, how many times this name is appearing, 1 or 2 times. This data is huge, it's very difficult to calculate. So here I'm using is equal to the function CountIf tab. Again, I will select this range because I want to calculate from this range. Now I would like to copy this formula down because for each of these names I want to see how many times these names are appearing. Because I want to copy this formula down, I will lock this formula, lock this particular range. I will lock this range. For that I will press the function F4. It is being locked, then comma criteria. Criteria is this particular name. I would like to check how many times it is appearing in this range, and then I will press enter. You can see Sanskar's name is appearing just one time. Now I'll copy this formula down to check how many times other names are appearing. So I'm just copying this formula down. I can see all the names are appearing just one time. No name is being duplicated. I'll just try to go ahead and try to duplicate the name. So I'm just copying this Sanskar's name down again, and it is being appearing 2 times. You can see this number is changed to 2. This name is appearing 2 times. This is the way we can find out how many times a particular data is appearing in a particular range with the help of Countif formula. So again, we learned the count formula. We are just revising. We have learned the count formula which counts the numbers in a given range. CountA formula which counts text as well as number in a given range. Countblank formula which counts the blank cells in the given range. And CountIf formula, it counts a specific data, specific criteria in a given range. I hope you liked this video and you got some value addition from this video. Please subscribe to channel if you would like to learn the skills which are important to boost your career. Thanks a lot and see you again. Bye.